Supporting these children with cancer is important to us because having this initiative, we were able to spread additional awareness. Of course, that will also gain additional support or potential sponsors for the initiatives that you are making to support these children who are in need. Sponsorship through in-car ad tablets can create compassion. You know, it drives compassion when they see the ads dun sa ating tablets. It also inspires action. We will also be able to reach a broader audience and of course, raising awareness and encouraging donation. Yung tulong natin, pwedeng maliit, pwedeng malaki. Pero it doesn't matter, you know, as long as it comes from your heart, yung tinutulong natin sa kanila, that will be a big help to them. And just knowing that you're there to support them emotionally, I think it makes them stronger to fight this kind of battles.
Sponsors, thank you, and salute to all of you. Hindi magiging possible ang lahat ng ito, kundi dahil sa inyo. Binigyan niyo ako ng inspirasyon habang ako ay patuloy sa aking laban. Hindi nawala sa aking isipan na balang araw, ako naman ang tutulong sa aking kapwa, all cancer warriors. Hindi tayo narito upang sumuko. Kaya nga tayo warriors Narito tayo para lumaban at magpatuloy.